Hey, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatexhomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Friday morning forecast update. We do have some fog developing again, not quite as dense as what we saw yesterday, but it will be kind of a mild and foggy start to the morning with temperatures settling into the low and mid 50s so far this morning. But you can see the visibility, especially dropping across the northern Arklatex to begin the day. So we do have some fog from Nevada County up through portions of Howard County and over into McCurtain County. And as temperatures drop off a few more degrees before sunrise, we'll likely see a little more fog develop here, but as of now we don't have a dense fog advisory. It is possible we could see one issued in the next hour or so, but just be mindful of that. If you're headed out to the roadways this morning, you may encounter some areas of patchy, even dense fog through about 9 a.m. this morning. Temperature wise, low to mid 50s, so it feels great outside to begin the day. These are actually numbers that are closer to our normal highs for this time of the year, so starting out a very mild December morning, and just a light kind of east wind at the moment at about 5 miles per hour, and winds will be out of the east and southeast today at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Really tapping into the Gulf air today, so we do have some showers that have developed just south of Interstate 20 and have included the chance of some lightly scattered rain across the Arklatex today. Still just ahead of a cold front. And you can see there is a lot of cloud cover above us as well. So in addition to some passing showers, it will be another mostly cloudy to overcast day. And still will stay comfortable, though, with the south wind. We should tap into that Gulf air, upper 60s and low 70s for highs, and a little higher chance of seeing some scattered showers once we get into the late morning and afternoon hours. There's a look at the high temperatures today, kind of where we've been for the past few days, about 72 in Shreveport, 70 in Texarkana, a few of us in the 60s north of I-30. You can see the air making its way in off the Gulf this morning, and what we're watching is the big upper level low that's out here in the desert southwest. Eventually, that's going to move up across northern Oklahoma, Missouri, and Arkansas, but we'll be close enough to that it will push a cold front through, so we do have the threat of seeing some strong to severe storms. This will mainly be late Saturday afternoon through very early Sunday morning, and looks like wind and hail will be the main issues for us, but there is enough of a wind shift that will occur here that potentially we could see a few brief spin-up tornadoes as well. But again, marginal risk means maybe one or two strong to severe storms at the moment, and if we did see a higher risk, maybe a slight risk, I would think that would probably be to the north of us tomorrow. So again, we'll be watching for that. But as far as today, no severe weather threat for your Friday. We will see some of those lightly scattered showers moving south to north across the region. Not everybody will see rain. I think the rest of us will just stay mostly cloudy to overcast, and as we roll into your Saturday, we'll likely start out dry, but we'll start to pick up some rain middle of the day, and you see that cold front beginning to take shape, so that's where you see that line of thunderstorms developing during the late afternoon, early evening. So as of now, looks like the storm timing for McCurtain County, northeast Texas, just after sunset. Texarkana kind of swings it through at about 8, 9 o'clock, and it does have the front down through Shreveport just before midnight tomorrow, so before we hit Sunday morning, and we'll likely see a little bit of lingering rain Sunday morning. I've actually bumped the rain chance back up just a little bit on Sunday, but we should see a slow clearing trend kind of play out through the day on Sunday, with cooler temperatures arriving behind that front as well. Total rainfall potential, really still seeing some 1 to 2 inch spots in there north of I-30, but those totals could easily be a little bit further to the south, so don't focus too much on the total at your particular location, but just that there is that potential to see some 1 to 2 inch amounts, which shouldn't cause us problems just given the dry conditions that we've had lately. Look at your 7-day forecast showing the rain tapering off through the day Sunday. Plenty of sun Monday and Tuesday. New Year's night looking to be in good shape for us, and this rain is shifted from New Year's Day a little bit further into next week, but we could see a little bit of rain. Be a cool New Year's with highs in the 50s, and looks like a good chance of rain making its way in again late next week.